gotta leave me now. You got to go alone.
Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I watched Amber Lyric Lover 810 did these little baby traveler notebooks, I think Friday. Anyways, I like raced and got them done because they're so cute, and I had a bunch of these Walmart, 3-pack comp books. I've got a ton of Dollar Tree ones too. But then I saw these at Walmart for 88 cents. So I quick made some this weekend, and they're so fun. I love these. They're like little plump babies. I just love them. I like little fat things, like especially notebooks. So, for the cording, I used this cording that I got from Clear Bags, and I'll do a video on the products they sent so that I can try them out. But I thought they come up to like, I think they're $50 for $5, and if you get $20 worth, they're like a penny each. And I used 1.5 of these for the whole travelers, this size travelers. So I mean, you could probably do a larger one, but you'd have to use more. But I just thought it was kind of fun to get all this different. I didn't get it for that reason, but I got thinking, when I got it, I thought, I bet it would work for like the little Bona ones, but they even work better for these. So anywho, these are just some paper clips. I don't even know where I got them. And then this is from the LOL Paper Studio collection. And there's one page in there, the 12 by 12 or whatever. No, this was actually the 8 by 10 pack. So I just, and that's all that's on the page. So I scanned it in and then brought it into Photoshop and got rid of all the background. That's so that you can kind of cut it out if you want. But then I didn't even cut it out. I just hand fussy cutted them all. Because, anyways, long story short, that's how I did it. And then I laminated them. So I did that one. That's just a camper cut that I had on Silhouette, and then I just put in patterns. And that's also a cut, and then I just colorized them. So those are what I did for this set of plump little baby TNs. So then here's the little, oops, got that card. Here's the little folder. I put them in the front because I wanted to add, one of these. So I wanted like people looking at it at the craft show. I want to make sure they can see that it's a little folder. And then you just do the 3 notebooks, and that's it. Super fast and cute and easy. Got this turned around. And then there's the little cute. And this is kind of a gardening, kind of, sorta paper. Like, obviously that is. And the 3 books. And I really like Amber's way of doing these covers. It turns out really nice. And then there's that one. Because it does kind of finish it off in the inside. It's a little extra paper and a little extra putzing, but it's worth it. There's that one. Then I did, these are fabulous. The paper line from Authentique. And I did the same with her as I did with the Photoshop with the LOL girl. So cute paper. And, oops, I forgot that. They all have a card in here. Super cute. Oh, I just love how they feel. Oh, they're so cute. Great thinking. And here's another one from Fabulous. Basically the same. Just different folders. then here is, this is that one stargazer from, got it at Tuesday morning. It's the weirdest paper. I don't get where they get stargazer. I think that was part of it. So I don't know why that's a stargazer, but we'll just go with it. You know, kind of goofy. But it's cute paper. So I kind of gave it more of a little camping theme. And the gold, or the accordion, is also available in gold and silver, which I have. And here's the little camping. This is Wild. I think it's Wild and Free from Echo Park. And again, just some paper clips that I've had. I love this one. Cute. See, that could even go with this one if you wanted. But I didn't want to. Okay, and then see this. Oh, you know what? I might have something goofed up. I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, these aren't goofed up, so I don't know. Anyways, maybe I decided to put that in there for night camping. Who knows how this mind works sometimes. That was 2 days ago, I can't tell you. So that's the little plump baby ones. They're really super cute and fun to make. And they they really come together super fast too. So thanks for watching, and thanks Amber for the awesome ideas. Bye.
I'll be the harmony to every lonely song that you learn to play. When you saw